Lego therapy was first developed in Philadelphia by a clinical psychologist called Dan Legoff, who specialises in autism spectrum conditions. And he noticed that kids with autism really like Lego and are drawn to it. So he started setting up groups for children with autism playing with Lego collaboratively. So rather than playing it on your own at home, you play with it as a group with other children. So the whole aim of Lego therapy is not to build a Lego model. It is to promote that social interaction, collaboration with other children and teamwork. So rather than saying having a model with instructions and building it all by yourself, you'll split up the roles into an engineer who has the instructions, a supplier who has the bricks, and the builder who puts the model together. And then you will take it in turns to play those different roles. And by doing that, the children immediately have to have lots of joint focus on the same thing. They're practicing social interaction skills, and they're having fun at the same time. So I think the really important thing about Lego therapy in comparison to other social skills approaches is the fact that Lego is something that's really familiar to children. All children know Lego and like Lego. So if a child with autism who naturally won't be drawn to a social group, won't want to go, won't enjoy it, will think, okay, hey, it's a Lego club, that's fun, it's something I know. The other thing about Lego is often it's something that children with autism are really good at, so they can actually achieve something and get something positive because their skills at building are so great. So they're not coming to a social skills group because they're bad at social skills and you've got to improve and you've got to try harder, and where they'll, often they get into trouble at school or not doing very well and are always picked up on things that they're not good at. If you come to a Lego club and do something that's unthreatening and you are good at it, then you're much more motivated to learn, you're much more able to learn, and you enjoy it much more as well.